Calling mobile phone customer service. Speaking practice. I say person 1, you say person 2. Hello, I'm calling about a charge on my latest mobile phone bill. My phone number is 0912345678, and the account is under John Smith. My bill is usually around $20, but this month it's $35. I don't understand why. A data charge? But I'm on an unlimited data plan. Oh, you're right. I completely forgot I used my phone in France last week. So that's what it is. I see. Is there anything I can do about it now? It's quite a large charge. Good to know for next time. Thanks for clarifying everything. I understand now. No, that's all. Thank you for your help.